Hello, let me take this opportunity to welcome everyone to this 14th year of our Descuento Caravan, spearheaded by Chongsan, through our good friend, Mr. Golanco, si Jasper, the Executive Vice President for Marketing of Chongsan. No? And you are helping a lot our small, medium enterprises in showcasing their products, no? Para maging competitive din yung ating mga entrepreneurs in the city of Baguio. You're helping a lot our constituents for showcasing all the products that are available in the market. And maraming salamat sa inyo for helping our constituents in the city of Baguio. On the part of the local government, whatever support you need, no? Nandito kami nasusuporta sa inyo habang nandito kami. And I cannot just promise the use of athletic ball kasi maraming ginagawa sa athletic ball right now. But other places, no, na pwede nyo gamitin. Pag-usapan natin maigi. So good luck to you guys and more power to this bonanza. Thank you.